Okay, to build your own medicine ball, you're going to need a funnel. Like, choose your own size. The funnel, I'm using Gorilla Repair tape. Bag of play sand, use as much as you want, these are 50-pound bags. This is sealant, you're going to use the seal after the fact, after you put the sand in. These are the balls, the different size balls, whatever ones you want to use. Okay, I'm using different ones here, these are all cheap at Walmart, get for $3 or $4. Okay, with all these together, you're gonna need a small knife. I'm gonna cut the balls with to make them. You could use anything to help put the sand once you put the funnel to get it in, because the sand is a little bit sticky.
Okay, so if you want to feel these, what did Daddy said? That's what it is. So this is sand, but this is for sand box. See, on this one, it says on the same box, we can't see it because it's in the back. So it's for sand boxes, but we could use it for armies and all kinds of stuff we need for. These are the balls. Feel them with this kind of sand, and with you have to cut them with the knife, and you could use that.
Up here, they use to get the dirt or the sand put inside of the funnel. When I'm done, so I'm just going to stick it in here and pour it in here. And if you see, it's going to clump up like this. It's going to clump up. So what you got to do, you take anything, little pointy, something you could use to get the sand to go down the hole. You got to help push it down. Just keep pushing the sand down. Okay? Just like, keep pushing it down. There we go. Grab some dirt in here. Grab some sand. Grab a cup of it. And just like that, and pour it in here. Pour it all. Okay, and then we do it again.
To feel inside the ball.
Yeah. Then you just keep going in, bringing it down.
It's in the bag.
Okay, I'm working on these medicine balls. Slowly getting there, but surely. As you can see, we're weighing the ball right now. Pretty much almost filled to close to the top. 12.2 pounds so far. Okay, so yes, this is in here. I got the sand in here. I'm just stirring it around, trying to get it go down the hole.
And show me I'm doing it too.
And just going, breaking, shaking it up.
I'm doing it
As
too.
you do it, and keep stirring it as it goes down. And
This is mine.
My daughter's helping me do it too, making these balls. Wife is over there gardening.
No.
And once you do that,
I'm gonna
use this here, gaps and cracks.
Yeah, don't forget me. I was doing that video too.
It's going to expand and fill up the ball. You wipe the excess away. It's going to come out once it hardens. And what you're going to do, you clean it, make it flat, smooth. Then I'm going to grab the Gorilla Glue to seal the edges of the flap. Gorilla Glue, and I'm going to use Gorilla Tape. This ball here, 12 pounder.
Yep.
12-pound ball.
Alright,
this is round 2 of the medicine balls. This is new footage. I built these a long time ago, and I had to undo them because when I was doing some of these old ones, there was the sand kept falling out even though I taped it and sealed it. So I'm using Pea Gravel now. Looks like that. Okay, this is Pea Gravel, little rocks. I'm going to seal it with this stuff here. Gray stuff, big gap filler. It's only a one-time use, so you can pretty much only use it once. After I do that, I let it dry, and I'm going to probably put some Gorilla Glue on top to seal it even more. Kind of like this one. This one really doesn't break, but I'm doing it over anyway. See, the Gorilla Glue on top of it after I was sealed with the gap filler, and it hasn't opened up yet. I just checked it and took it off the tape to make sure, and I sealed it with Gorilla Tape afterwards. And these weigh about 22 to 24 pounds. The Pea Gravel is a little heavier, weigh a little more. And when I made these slits on the new ones, I was able to make smaller ones with the pea gravel than the sand. So that way it's less likely to break. On the old ones, which had the sand with its gravel in it now, I used bigger flaps like this, which didn't work as good. So the smaller the opening, the better it will be. So go ahead and attempt this. I'm going to go in. It's going to expand, so it's going to pop out. It's going to expand, so expect that. It's messy. Wear gloves. I'm pretty much going until it pops out because I want it to be sealed. See how it's foaming up? It's going to foam up. My lunch breaks, before work, where I get a lot of stuff done. It's like messy. It's like ice cream cones, but hey, if it's going to seal it, what's going to make it work, then I'm going to do it. Yeah, what I tell you not to do is I use the pea gravel on these new ones. Do not put this little end too deep inside because it will rise up and make the pea gravel come out the top. I just realized that on this one, but the rest of them going to be okay. I'm going to leave this kit here. It's really all I can do. It's probably a one-time use. It's pretty much done. And then I'm just going to wait, and when I come back later, we'll see what happens and what they look like. This is the Gorilla Glue I use. Once I finish, when these dry, I'm going to have to cut off all the excess foam. And I'll seal with another layer of Gorilla Glue on top. And once that dries, then I'm going to go ahead and use this Gorilla Tape. Okay, so what you do, and it's like this, you're going to cut it off, like this. You cut off all the foam off of all of them. You make it flat like you see here. That's when I'm going to apply the Gorilla Glue. When I'm sticking inside. I want a thick layer because I want this thing to stay shut. What I'm going to use, Gorilla Tape to seal this afterwards. I'm going to flat. So I'm going to keep the Gorilla Tape on top of it. It kind of seals itself in with the Gorilla Tape. I only want to keep these flaps down that I made and help seal them to the Gorilla Glue. Although it will dry faster if it had no tape on it. Make sure you give at least 24 hours after you apply. 24 hours after you apply the glue. For example, then I'm not going to sit here and have you guys watch me do all these. I'm going to cross this one and kind of get an idea of the pattern you want to use. Technically tape it as much as you want. See? Okay, when I tape the balls like this, one of the old ones was dirt busted, so I think the hole was too big, but the new ones are holding up good. The new ones I did. Just to make sure, I'm reinforcing the tape even more by putting a strap around lateral to hold the tape here at the edge, because I only wrapped half the ball in the tape. And over here, I just went ahead, going crisscross halfway around, all the way around, because fully cover the side with a hole in it. So this is the side I'm going to tell people to slam on, the bottom part. and this side is going to be the top that you grip. So that way there shouldn't be any problems with it impacting the ground as much from the sealed side. So I'll let you guys know how that goes, but I think this is going to solve the solution for good. Thanks. And that's how you make a slam ball.